much to my disappointment, I had hoped that this part would separate so I could actually easily get this back into place. But having a close look here, that's that seam here. It does not come apart. The only seam point is here. So this whole plastic is a single piece. So I can't do it the way I wanted to do it. So I'm going to have to do a bit more tedious. Well, yeah, a bit more risky in the sense of making a mess. So I just have to be careful how I get it all in. So I've just taped up along the edge here, so protect it from when I spray this adhesive glue. It doesn't get onto the actual material of this part of the door. I'm just going to trim off the excess crap. It's right on there. I'll just use a Stanley blade and screwdriver to tuck it in once it's done. Shut it up. So this is the adhesive I used. Pretty standard stuff. Does all the right materials. One thing I didn't do, I should have done better, was allow it to get tacky. So spray where I sprayed. Allow it to get tacky before pressing it together. It adheres a lot better and a lot longer. Right. Make sure I don't get any of the paint onto the actual fabric. Wrap it off before it dries. That seems to have done the job. Make sure that it's stuck there so I can't take this all apart again. Okay, a bit of a lump there. Screwdriver in to help make sure that it sticks. Don't forget to turn your can upside down and clean it after. Right, do the other door.